One of the biggest myths is that throwing chicken into the oven will dry it out somehow. And that's simply not true. What's up, my friends? I'm Henrik. I like food. Today we're making teriyaki chicken. This is a really simple recipe to follow. And we begin by adding some garlic and pepper to a whole bunch of chicken breasts. As you can see, I just threw it on there, so I'm just gonna fix it real quick with my hand. Once this is done, we put the chicken into an oven that's been preheated to 350. After a little while, we can finally remove the chicken from the oven. The next step is to remove the breasts from the tray, but you don't want to wash out the tray just yet. We'll need that later. Hold on, stop right there.
It's raw!
Uh-oh, subscribe now to help me make this chicken not raw. Anyway, it wouldn't be teriyaki chicken without some teriyaki sauce, so let's make that right now. We start off by adding some soy sauce, your favorite kind will do, and then we add some mirin, the amount being the same. On a side note, the flame is low for this pot. We don't want to burn anything here. And now we're going to add lots of sugar to the pot. Swirling it around makes it go faster. The goal is to get the sugar to be absorbed by everything else. Now, this is why we did not throw out the drippings. They go into the pot. And after they go into the pot, we scrape the tray and add whatever's left into the pot as well. If you are used to super duper thick sauces, this is clearly not it, but the chicken fat and drippings are going to make it really, really tasty. While the sauce is cooling off, let's make a side dish. I'm keeping it clean and lean with some vegetables today, and of course, olive oil, the one true cooking oil. Throwing on some mushrooms. And apart from the fungi, we also have some spinach so we can have giant forearms. Don't forget to shake it around to make sure everything gets heated evenly, and also because it's fun. To find out if we saved the chicken. Awesome, looks like I'm not getting food poisoning. Time to plate it up. Alright, it's time to eat now. Food is finally done. It looks like this. I just spilled teriyaki sauce all over my table. I made this one 1,000,000 times before, and it still tastes amazing. Normally, if you order this at a restaurant, you're gonna get rice with it. I'm trying to reduce carbs other than beer. This is how I end up with spinach and mushrooms. It's a very nice side. It works well with teriyaki sauce. And the chicken is stupidly juicy. Oven baked, 40 minutes, no oil, no water, anything. Well, if you enjoyed this video, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'm just gonna keep on eating.